Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model one game asset, one baseball bat with nails on it. Baseball bat with nails on it. I am going to model this in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our game asset, a baseball bat with some nails on it. So this is our game asset, game asset. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.